Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. The answer to your question is yes, you could return on a B1/B2 with a non-immigrant waiver legally, but the real issue is whether there's a reasonable chance of success. Okay? And with a B2, let's pretend you've never been to the US before. And I understand you said B1. B1 would be for business purposes. The contract negotiations for have a business outside the U.S. type thing, and B2 would be to visit. But with a B1/B2, you are presumed to not want to leave the U.S. and to overstay and to stay here, until you get the green card type thing. So you have a very big uphill battle trying to show that that's not your intention. If you had DACA, that means you came here as a little kid. That means you overstayed and that you were here for many, many years. That means probably your family's here. And that means you probably don't have hardly any ties in whatever country you're in now. So for you to believe that an officer will take at your word that you plan on just visiting or doing some contract negotiations and then leaving, there is a minuscule chance of success of that, to be honest with you. So what I do in cases like this is I look for other ways. I mean, there certainly is a non-immigrant waiver, but I need to see, what country are you from? Do you qualify for an E2 visa? That would be an investment visa. Do you have a sponsor that will sponsor you for employment? Have you already been petitioned for the green card from some family member? Do you qualify for other different types of visas? The B1, B2 is, really a last resort because it's just the reality is the chances of you convincing an officer are so low. I mean, if you happen to have a business in your home country and you've got like 50 employees and you're the CEO and you've got a big house and you're married and you have 12 kids, then maybe it won't be so hard to prove. But I suspect that's not the case. I would also need to know, why did you leave the U.S.? There might be ways of trying to get back through a parole. Okay?